you show off a Matterport model on a Zoom call, I mean, today, you know, with all the Zoom calls we do and everybody trying to not have to be in any particular location, I mean, Matterport lends itself to that so well. I think the thing people are most impressed by is just like the fidelity and the quality of that scan. So you're getting all that depth data and you're getting all those real-time measurements, which to me in the design world and the construction world are very important. From the perspective of being a designer, I really find the tool invaluable. I embed all these models directly on my website, on my portfolio pages, because, you know, it's one thing to see a perfectly set up photo from a photographer and the space looking beautiful. It's another to be able to dive into that space.